Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how the IDs will work with emits. For example, I have added a div tag and then a simple ID with the name of header, and you can get the results with the ID. So for example, I'm gonna simply add a hashtag and then header. It will automatically make a div by default, so you don't need to add a div again and again. You just only need to just add header or footer. Maybe for example, you have a class with the name of page, you can get the same results. So now I'm gonna add multiple classes within a div. For example, I have a footer tag and then class 1 and then class 2 and then class 3, and you got these classes within a single class. So for example, you are using a bootstrap, so uh, you need to add nav and fixed top with the nav bar, and then dark maybe fx. So you can also add these kind of classes within a div. So now I'm gonna add some emits with multiple classes and multiple IDs, including more than one classes. So for example, let me show you that how it will work. Div tag and then add a header ID and then plus sign with the div. Plus operator is go your emits in the next level. Like here we got the ID and then div here, and then now I'm gonna add a class with the page. As you see, the page class is added and the header ID is added with the two multiple divs. So now I'm gonna add plus sign with div with the hashtag of footer. This is our header ID and then our page class and then our footer ID, and then add some classes here, class, then class, classes, more classes, and hit the enter. Here you got the ID with the header with the page, and you may also create a complete web page with your simple line of your emit. So I'm very excited because once I work with the emits, it will speed up or boost up your development process. So you can also add custom attributes within a single tags. Like I have added an attribute with the ID, with the class, with the ID, and then more classes. Now I'm gonna show you an example with the you can use any title tag and href, or maybe fill out the URL or call span or span within your tables, or like whatever you want to develop. and the example is here. So now I'm gonna add some TD here, and then braces, large braces, and then I'm gonna add some title here is equal to hello world, and then and here call span is equal to 3. This is how the attributes will edit in your HTML tags using emits. So you can also practice this. Once you done your practice, you will be able to uh, create a large web page within a few hours or within a few minutes. So hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to for the getting my notifications from my YouTube channel. So you can also visit my website. So, that's all for now. Hope you guys see you in my next video.